Your passions, your hobbies, your experiences define who you are. And you shouldn't have to sacrifice fully living, ever. ONAGOfly, the world's first smart nano drone, helps you capture, share, and experience the most meaningful and exciting moments of your life. Toss ONAGOfly into the air and instantly be ready to film, throw, and fly. It's that easy. ONAGOfly's auto-follow feature locks onto you and follows you around. You're free to live the experience. With P2P live streaming function, share your ONAGOfly video live to other mobile devices. ONAGOfly is highly portable and takes off from the hand with no hassle. You can hover your drone at a particular distance or manually control its flight path. Users of all ages and experience levels can navigate ONAGOfly effortlessly, both indoors and outdoors. Use smile detection to automatically take the images you want when you want, and share the moment right away to your favorite social media. Play with ONAGOfly just like playing video games with the tilt control mode. It's designed to capture you from the best angle. With a cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, ONAGOfly will automatically detect anything in its path and seamlessly shift direction to escape contact. Its brushless DC electric motor gives ONAGOfly the longevity of 5,000 hours at only 140 grams. The specs pack a punch. GPS module enables auto-follow technology. Wi-Fi module allows for connection with smart devices. Infrared obstacle avoidance senses 360 degrees. Lastly, 15 megapixels camera captures awesome photos. With ONAGOfly, you can share your whole world from the palm of your hand.
Do you want extremely stable GoPro footage no matter where your GoPro is mounted? Meet the REMOVU S1, the world's most versatile gimbal for GoPro cameras. The REMOVU S1 is designed to be as versatile as your GoPro camera, allowing you to mount your S1 wherever you can mount a GoPro. The REMOVU S1 comes with a Bluetooth remote control joystick that allows you to control the camera's position. Use the remote control joystick while it's mounted in the S1 hand grip or from a distance wirelessly. Easily attach and remove your GoPro camera using our innovative one-click mounting system. Additionally, the REMOVU S1 is the world's first rainproof gimbal. The motors in the body were specifically designed to be water resistant. Whether you're in the rain or in the snow, you can focus on getting the shot and not having to worry about your camera equipment.
Hi, I'm Rick Dickinson. I was the industrial designer for the Sinclair ZX range of personal computers, including products such as the ZX81, the ZX Spectrum, the QL, and others. Today it gives me great pleasure to reveal my concept designs for the Sinclair Vega Plus handheld concept. Enjoy.
NexDock, a versatile 14-inch monitor with a built-in battery and Bluetooth keyboard at a fraction of the cost of a laptop. NexDock turns your Windows 10 smartphone into a fully functional laptop. Or you can connect it with the world's smallest PCs for a cost-effective computer on the go. With a full-size keyboard and screen, you can experience real productivity with even the smallest of tablets. Connect NexDock to a Raspberry Pi computer and create the world's most affordable full-size laptop. You can also use it with your iPhone to play games on a bigger screen, or add a wireless display adapter and watch movies or TV shows from your Android phone. It's also a great secondary monitor for your laptop. When you're traveling or working in a temporary office or co-working space, you can set up a multi-screen workstation with ease. After extensive research and development, we have our working prototype ready, and now we need your support to meet the minimum order quantity for mass production. Pledge now and be one of the first to experience NexDock. Once we reach our goal, we can begin working on production right away, and we'll ship NexDock to you anywhere in the world in a few months. NexDock is the first crucial step in our vision to design docks with better integrated peripherals. Thanks to the new USB Type-C port, we can develop better integrated mini PCs so that you can use NexDock with the processor and operating system of your choice. Imagine a computer that one day you can use as a Chromebook and the next day as an Ubuntu developer laptop. Imagine a longer-lasting computer that you can easily upgrade and customize to become a powerful Windows gamer laptop. Smartphones will eventually become the only computer we need. By separating processor and operating system from the display, we hope to start a paradigm shift in consumer electronics, where computers can be adapted to match your exact needs, generating less electronic waste for the environment. We envision a world where we carry only our mini PCs, which connect to any screen in the world to turn them into tablets, laptops, and PCs. Pledge now and help us take the first big step in turning that vision into a reality.